Earnings, the second E in my wealth elevation. Earnings is something that happens 4 times a year. If you are a publicly traded company in the United States, then you're required to report earnings on a quarterly basis. What earnings are is the end result of the company's work. What earnings is saying that it cost us whatever amount to produce the item, taking in that total cost. Did we have any money left over after we sold that item? If we have money left over, then we have revenue, we have earnings. Now, a fundamental analyst would look at it and use that information to say, well, how much did it earn per share? And all of that is saying is an EPS. Earnings per share is taking the total amount that the company earned and dividing that by the total amount of total shares outstanding. It helps to make a larger company and a smaller company become comparable, apples to apples, because you can see that the larger company may have a higher dollar amount on how much they earn, but they may also have a higher amount of shares outstanding. So earnings, something you want to keep in mind.